Hi everybody, just got this cool waterfall for you guys. It's sort of hard to see, I'll just get about that way. Go, yeah, it's quite cool. I'll get to the bottom of it and hopefully you'll be able to see better. Yeah everybody, this is the bottom of the waterfall. It's quite cool today because we've had a fair amount of rain, but it can get bigger when we've had a lot more rain. I mean, it's been a few days since we've had a decent rainfall. There's a sign up there telling people not to jump out of the waterfall because you never know how deep it is at the bottom. Like if there's been a lot of rain, it'll be deep, but if it's not so much, of course, it's shadow. And yeah, there has been some disasters that have happened. So nice blue sky at the moment. I mean, typical Auckland. It was pouring down with rain about a couple of hours ago. Now it's beautiful and blue sky. So yeah, it's nice and peaceful around here. Yeah, it just continues down quite a way. Quite nice sounds, peaceful sounds I find the waterfall. The sun. Oh, cool. Thanks for watching everybody. I'll leave it here and I hope everyone's having a lovely day. Bye.